I saw the thing set dog. If a soft girl treat you like insect dog. And every girl catch me interest. And a Jessie Bell can't get the ring set dog. Look how much money you go invest. And another man I take off the pink dress dog. Yo, I saw the thing set dog. Soft girl treat you like insect.
Dog, look how me do that, me love my life. I me make my family live some lovely life. Don't forget a call like this in the morning. I find on the heart.
Okay guys, so for today's episode, we are going to play a prank on Sade. So this girl thought she'd be slick, and she and Malik back there filming. Say hi Malik.
Hi guys.
She and Malik wanted to prank me, do a pregnancy prank on me, but it failed.
We didn't even do the prank.
It didn't do the prank, but it would have failed.
No, it wouldn't.
But whatever. But either way, I'm going to get her back. And because she been prepping for that prank, she been kind of weird and distant to me. And then I was distant in return. And it's leading up to this. I'm going to prank her and tell her that I didn't want her to move to Jamaica, which I know she would hate, because that was something that really bothered her when people say something like that. So I'm going to get her and prank her and see her reaction. So stay tuned guys. Hopefully she goes to the camera or anything and give us a nice reaction. I kind of want to talk to you about something. Okay. I don't want to really talk to you about it before because I don't know how you take it, or I know you get angry about it or annoyed, or I don't know, just a bunch of different emotions and ranges. But it's just like coming out to a place of love and whatnot. Yeah, I'm actually a bit nervous to say, because I know you're going to be all mad, and it's not to make you mad or anything. It's just my thoughts, and it might not be your thoughts, but you know, yeah, whatever. So, to be honest with you, I don't think it was a good idea for you to move back to Jamaica. Like, for several reasons. Like, first, well, one, I was fretting about the apartment because I didn't have enough money and whatnot, and then I was wondering how you going to get the money. And while it might be easy right now to get like the starting money, but having an apartment is such a continuous thing. Okay, you don't have to get an apartment. That's fine.
Yeah, I know, but like, it's a continuous thing, and it's like, even though I'm not getting it with you right now, it's still something that I worry about for you. Like, would it be enough money? If you'd have enough money, if you'd have to ask your mom for money all the time, and like just the effects it would have on you. And yeah, and if you can sustain yourself with the apartment. Yeah, and yeah, that had me worrying. Like, well, that was one of the issues that had me worrying. Yeah, I just felt like it's a lot of responsibility right now, and I don't know if you're handling it well, to be honest. And I've been concerned about you overall. I know you've been kind of down this week, so I've just been one. I know Malik was saying you have something to tell me. I don't know what it is. At first, my mind went to the worst places ever, and I thought about why my mind got to the worst places ever, and I realized it's because of one. I fret about you because sometimes I don't know your friends and your other friends, and I feel like you run off with them a lot, or whoever, and I don't know, and really it has me fretting, like if anything happened to you, or you know, just things like that, because Jamaica is great, but it's not like roses and sunshine, and you know that. So I fret about that, and I fret about you taking that into consideration. And worse, we don't know half of these friends, and I'm not saying they're bad people or anything like that, you know. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. And yeah, so it really had me worrying about you, saying if you're making the right decision moving here, if you're responsible enough to move here right now on your own. And a next thing too, yeah, that's mostly it. That's mostly it. What do you think? They just not waste anything? Shade. I'm not saying this to get you vexed or anything like that, and I know you don't like, but I literally saying this just so you can understand where I'm coming from. I would really like if you talk to me, because I know, like, me telling you this, it might not come back on my house and they have me up or whatever, even though I don't mean it like that. I just thought it was like a really bad decision.
You deserve your opinion and have it for her.
I can't really hear you. Lisa?
There's nothing to talk about. Everyone deserves their own opinion, so that's yours.
So your answer to everything is that I deserve my own opinion? That's it?
I don't care to change your mind. That's a waste of my time. If that's what you want to think, I'll go right ahead.
By the way, I just feel like I'm kind of mad at you too. Because Malik told me you're going to prank me, but my ass pranks you first. It was a prank. I didn't mean anything. I just wanted to prank you. Are you really mad at me? Wait. None of it was true. I just want. She said she said the camera. Why this light not turn off? She said.
You find the key. It's a waste of my time.
We want. She mad at me, and it's literally me. She's mad at me. The light's not turning on, but she's mad at me, and I'm literally. It was like a prank. Me and Malik practice what I'm going to say to bother her. It's a prank, Shade. So smell no content. She's mad at me, guys. She know I don't believe that, and I know she's the most.
I'm ready to go. I've been here waiting for you.
She knows what I think about her and what everything, and she knows that I think she's going to the great. I tell her almost every single day. So it's obviously a prank that we're doing on her. Shadi, talk to me now. Alright, talk to the people. You mad at me for true? No. I never mean it. Like, it was literally all a prank, and I was saying all the opposite things that I actually mean. We should be laughing about this. Is the part where we laugh. Malik, laugh now. Guys, I feel bad. Like, we shouldn't do it. Me and Malik thought it was genius. You want help? You don't think I was serious, right? You know I don't think that. You know I don't think that. I've literally been saying to you how much I think this is great for you, and we both know how much we know that's great. Shadi! Guys, she mad at me. She claims she saw the camera, but she kind of acting like she didn't, and she was actually believing it, and she was mad. And she was teary-eyed. But she behaving tough right now. Shadi mad at me. Malik, she should be mad at you too, you know. It's your idea too.
I am awesome.
Alright, how much switch the camera on? Alright guys, so subscribe to her channel and whatnot. Okay, I'm going to give Malik her phone before Shadi drive off and hit me down.
Love you, babe. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Why don't know window? Wait.